And we are in front of the new Malibu styles for these 225 versions, with the Fiat Ducato new styling in front with the 600 dB GT Skyview. And getting a sensation of how this looks with the actual specs. Malibu van Comfort GT Skyview 600 dB. The total price of 103,000 euros, starting from 70,000 euros. These are the complete specs, and checking the inside, just like every standard Malibu, this feels just like a luxury yacht, having all these finishes with the Fiat Ducato chassis, and also the steps goes up to the pop-up roof, pretty wide and nicely done. From this side we have a different styling with a separate 2 burner stove and the sink, and on the upper part one big cabinet. Then under it you will find 1, 2, 3 large storage cabinets and a pretty tall tower fridge where you will be able to store everything. On this side you will find additional 2 cabinets and the sky view. And from each side you have additional storage cabinets that fold down. I will be now going to the bathroom section, and actually there is no light inside, but we can make the light work. Not bad, not the widest, but you should feel pretty comfortable inside. And then on the back we have this pretty great ship-styled openings, and also on the backs with large storage unit all around. Yep, pretty comfortable. And the bed size is laid just right here, 191, 164 to 150. Pretty large for a campervan of 6 meters. So I'm going on the back so you can check how this looks from the back. And starting with the measures, let's get it right. I get it 1.452, and from this part almost 1.6. And then the garage is splitted, but let's measure. The longest part is 1.275, and from this side is 0.98. But there you have it, the new Fiat Ducato chassis Malibu Van Comfort GT Skyview DB600.